Hello students, today's session we are going to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. See here we already discussed 4 questions. Now I am going to calculate 5th question. Calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. Determine empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has 69.9% iron and 30.1% of dioxygen by mass. First of all we have to draw, for calculating empirical formula, first of all we have to draw tabular form. Element, percentage, atomic weight, percentage by atomic weight, simple ratio, element, percentage, atomic weight, percentage by atomic weight, simple ratio. So now I draw the tabular form. This one is tabular form, for easy to calculate, for easy to understand. See here, iron. What is the percentage of iron? 69.9% they given. Dioxygen means oxygen only. How much they given? 30.1%. Atomic weight. What is the atomic weight of iron, students? 56. Oxygen 16. Percentage by atomic weight. 69 by this one by this one. 69.9 by 56. Here 30.1 divided by 16. Simplify this one. Here I am simplifying. 69.9 divided by 56, that is equal. First to remove point in numerator, 699 by 56. By numerator we have point after one place, that's why in denominator we multiply with 10. With 10. Now we got 699 by 560. What is the divisor here, students? 560 divided 699. So how many times it will go? One time. 560, 9 minus 6, 3, 6 minus 5, 1. 0. Keep point here. 562s are how much, students? 562s are. I am adding 0, 12, 11, 20. 0, 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 2, 0. 564s are. 4, 0, 0, 4, 6 are 24. 5, 4 are 20, 22. 565 are. 565 are. 500, 5, 6 are 30. 5, 5 is 25, 28. So it will go 4 times. 2, 2, 4, 0. 0. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 2, 5 minus 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 460. 4,600. How many times it will go? 8 jar. 560. 8 jar. 568 jars. 800, 8 6 are 48. 8 5 are 40. 44, 44, 8 times 4480. So it will take, add 1.25. How much we got? Here 1.248. So one digit here we have to add. 1.25 we take. 1.25. Note this one. Second one I am doing. (30.1) divided by this one I am doing, simplifying this one. 301 divided by 160, removing point, multiplying in denominator with 10, 160, divisor 160. How much we got here? Do division yourself only. It consumes your time. It consumes our time. So I am writing directly. We got 1.88. How much we got? 1.88. 1.88. What is the simple ratio here, students? So this is the simple ratio. 1.25. This is the less number. 1.88. 1.25 by 1.25. Simple ratio. 1.88 divided by. This is the simplest element. So I am dividing these two numbers. How much we got? Do this one. 1.88 divided by 1.25. Remove point. In numerator we got 100. Denominator also we got. Cancel. 128 by 125. So divisor. 125 divided 188. 125 threes are. 125 threes are. See here how much we got. Simple ratio. How much we got? Once 125. 8 minus 5 3. 8 minus 2 6. Keep point 0. 125 5 are 625. 625. Here simple ratio how much, students? 1.5. 1.5. In simple ratio we got 1.5. We have to convert whole number ratio. Note this one, students. Note this one. I am doing here only whole number ratio. Take another column. So this 1.2 is converted into whole number. That's why I am multiplying with 2. Here we got 2, here got 3. What is our empirical formula, students? What is our empirical formula is equal Fe2 here, Fe2 here, iron 2, oxygen 3, Fe2O3. What is our empirical formula? Fe2O3. This is the easy way to calculate empirical formula. So this problem I am calculating, sixth one. The empirical formula of sixth question. So empirical formula of compound is Already empirical formula given, CH2O. Its molecular weight is 90. Calculate molecular formula. Calculate molecular formula. Calculate molecular formula of a compound. This is easy. See here I am doing this side. Already they given empirical formula. Empirical formula they given. What is the empirical formula here? CH2O. Now we are going to calculating molecular formula. Here they given empirical formula, students. Empirical formula. What is the empirical formula here? CH2O. What is the molecular formula? Formula of molecular formula is empirical formula into N. Empirical formula into N. Here N means molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight by empirical formula weight. That's why we are calculating empirical formula weight. Here empirical formula is there. What is the empirical formula weight? Empirical formula weight. How much we got? Carbon. Carbon. How much we got? Carbon. 12 plus 2 plus 16. 30. What is the empirical formula weight here? Here empirical formula CH2O. Empirical formula weight is 30. Empirical formula weight is 30. They given molecular weight. They given molecular weight. How much they given? 90. Molecular weight they given. I am substituting here molecular weight. I am calculating N value. N is equal to molecular weight how much? 90. What is the empirical formula weight? 30. 31s to 33s. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. So this N value I am substituting in molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula of N. What is our empirical formula? CH2O. CH2O of N. What is the N value we got here? 2. Molecular formula is equal C3H6O3. C3H6O3. So this is the easy way to calculate molecular formula. So if they given empirical formula means, so it is the easy way to calculate molecular formula. This is the we completed empirical formula. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you.